Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. So today we learn how to change your old images into new images. So if you have your old images, your childhood memories, you can convert into new ones. Let's start how you do it. So let's load the workflow which I put in the description, or you can find in the on my Patreon link. Once you load this one, so let's take any example. Let's this one. Like I have already downloaded some image. So let's take this one. This is the first image. Boy, white shirt, masterpiece. This simple prompt and negative prompt I give. And let's choose. I use the Epic Photogaz model, so you can use that one. Now what I did. So I did clip. This is the basic. I use upscale, nearest exact, or you can use the Lenpose also if you want to. I connected here is the control net models. Control net, first I use depth. Okay. The second I use the pose for the pose. And third I use the line art for the line art. Then I give the strength of 0.41, 0.4. You can adjust according to your outputs you want to. Then I connected this to this positive and negative to samplers. Model I give from here. Latent image we give this one as a upscale latent I give. Then we decode and we use the reactor face swap for the better face. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so it takes some time. Why is this showing this error? Let's wait. Okay, so it stopped. Let me check with this one. Let me know. Reactor face swap I already have. Model is this one only. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, let's run it again. Okay. So let's see how the output come. So this is our input image and we see the output here. Okay, it's running the K sampler. So it takes some time to process the whole thing and we'll see the output in some time. These are all the images I take from the internet. You can also take it. If you have your own, you can use that one. Okay, so we got the output and it's majorly new one. What we got from here. Or maybe we need to increase the face restore visibility more than previous one. Maybe use different. Let's use the code from this one. This is how I. Okay, this one is 15. Use different model. Let's see this one. Okay, it's better than before. You can play with the models and check the outputs for the clear output. Basically, the lines it's coming like that, but it will give us the better output than previous one. Okay, let's use another one. Let's use this one, this image. So for this image, I use Claude. This is the large language model by Anthropy. You can use that one. I use for write a positive and negative prompt for this image. So it gives me this one. I changed some of the things. Let me show you. In positive prompt, I give this one. Okay, and I remove the black and white part. Okay, and let's run this one. So in the pose, it takes the similar pose and it takes the line art and the depth. Let's see the output. Yeah, so we got the image. What we see here and what we see here. So you can make your old photos to new. Not photos, for example, not faces. If, for example, if you want to change some buildings and if you have like this one, the image of some city and like that, you can change it just off this one and just run it. or you need to write a prompt. So take a prompt from here. Okay, so let's photograph of the vintage. Write a prompt, copy in the positive and detail prompt negative. Copy and let's go to paste. Okay, this is the one. Let's run it again. So mostly there is no pause, so you can off buzz this one also. How to buzz this? Just select the Control B. Okay, just run it again. So line art mostly do its work. So we will see here. So you can use on any photo. So that's the thing. We will wait for the results. Use Claude for the prompts and all things. It's free. For some of the credits give you daily, you can use for free. So use that one. Let's wait for the output. So we got our image and the new version. So we give this one and we got this one. So this is new image we generated from. So you can also change your old images into new and make up memory out of it. So change your old images and make it new. And for the model, so how to install the model, this one, the Epic variant, this is SD 1.5, this is the model I use. So I give the link in the description. So how to install it, I tell you in the how to install model from Civit AI. This is our starting video. So if you didn't watch that video, watch that, the link in the I button or in the description. So it will help you to install the model. Okay. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and share with your all AI and ComfyUI friends. Thank you.